Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. I'm sorry, but as of my last knowledge update in January 2022, I don't have specific information about a tutorial series called Python Notes by Code with Harry. However, I can certainly help you create a general tutorial on taking notes in Python, along with code examples. Please let me know if you have any specific requirements or topics you'd like to cover. Assuming you want to create a simple Python script to take and store notes, here's a basic tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll create a simple Python script to take and store notes. We'll use basic file handling to save and retrieve notes. Let's create a Python script named notes_app.py. This simple Python script allows you to take and view notes. You can expand the script by adding features such as deleting notes, organizing notes by categories, or implementing a more user-friendly interface. Feel free to customize and enhance the script based on your needs and preferences. Happy coding! ChatGPT.